Hello people, my name is Kingsley from Blessed Channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can migrate your WordPress website to another domain for free using backup migration plugin. It doesn't matter if you have no idea on how to go about it. This plugin will help you to do both backup and migration all for free. So if you like this video, then please like it and share it. So if you want to learn more about making websites using WordPress, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So at this point, I would like to say, let's get started. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blessed Channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. This is my website over here made with WordPress, and I want to export or migrate this particular website from this particular domain to another domain entirely. So I can see this is the whole complete website, and I want to be able to migrate this whole website together with the images, the colors, and everything the way it is being laid out. So in order to copy all these files with just few clicks, the first thing we are going to be doing is to first of all head over to our dashboard. That's the back end of our website, so that we'll proceed from there. So as you can see, I am on my dashboard. From here, what we're going to be doing is to navigate to our plugins and go to add new plugin. So once it opens, we are going to head over to this place and just search for backup migration. Just search for backup migration. Once you just search for backup migration, is going to load up. So this is the particular one we are going to be making use of. You can see it has over 80,000 plus active installation. So we are going to just install this. We are going to install it and also activate it. This is the particular plugin we are going to be making use of. So you can see it's installed. So I'm activating this particular plugin. So once it's activated, you can see this is how it's going to look like. And one thing about this plugin is that it's very easy to use, and also you don't need to stress yourself about anything here. So now let's just go straight into how I'm going to show you how to migrate this particular website that I'm talking about. So now let's just go. You can see from here we have where we can just create a backup, and here you can just have your backup created for you automatically. So you can actually schedule when your backup should be created for you. But now we are going to be doing the backup manually from our end. Now if you check down here, you will see that what it is asking you, what do you want to be backed up. So you can see you can actually select what you want to be backed up. But for you to be able to do this, you actually need the pro version of this particular plugin. So now you can see from here, let me just scroll up again. Let me scroll up and close this. Then now, where do you want it to be backed up? Where do you want the backup to be stored? Do you want it to be stored locally or to your Google Drive, Google Cloud and FTP? So you can select any one you actually want. But as I said, this also requires for you to get a pro version of this particular plugin. So in this part again, you can actually choose how the backup should be stored. Now you can set how you want it to be stored, zip file, or if you have the pro version, you can still select other formats you want it to be. You can set how the name should be, everything. So you can just set it. From here, you can set the email, your email, where you get notification of the backup once it's completed and all that. So now we just go ahead straight into creating the backup as I said. So we are going to click on create backup. Now I'm going to, after creating the backup, I'll also show you how to run the migration. So you can see it's based on our selection. It will automatically say we are backing up all the whole website. So based on our selection, we'll click on this and it's going to load up. You can see everything is running everything by itself. So you can see from here, it's actually checking if the space on our server yes, it's going to be enough for this backup to be created successfully. So after the check-in, everything is if everything is normal, your backup will be created for you immediately. So you are going to wait a little for the backup to actually complete. So from here, I'm going to be speeding up this video so that we don't waste much time. Alright, you can see my backup has been successfully completed, has been successful, and you can decide to either download this particular backup or but one thing, like I said earlier, there's this particular plugin. I so much love it, and it's very easy. So I don't even need to download this particular backup. So what I just need to do is just to copy this link, so to save me the stress of downloading and re-uploading this particular backup I just did. So I'm now going to head over to my new installation. You can see I just did a blank new installation. So I'm going to log into the dashboard, and just after logging into the dashboard, I'm going to head over to just to try to clean up the website. You can just clean up the website by just coming over here and deleting all the necessary trash in this. Then go to your trash and just empty the trash. You do the same thing to your pages, then select both of them and just move to trash, apply. Then you can also still go to your trash and just empty the trash. And then also you can also, because you can still go to your themes, they just delete all this and plugins. I'm going to just delete them. Also, then under my themes, I'll just delete the ones that are not really active. So I'm just going to make sure I just try to clean up my website, because what the plugin is just going to do is just to replace. Now I'm going to now go over to plugins and then search for my backup migration again. I'm going to search for backup migration. So once I search for the backup migration, we are going to install and activate it again on this new website. So we are going to make use of same plugin for this particular purpose. So I'm going to just skip this, click on skip. Now this time around, we are not going to do create backup. We are going to you can actually click the staging site, but what you're going to be doing now, we'll just come to manage and restore. So now you can see we have currently no backup installed on our distance. If we have any backup, they are going to show over here, but we are going to be doing super quick migration. So what we are going to now do is just paste the link we actually copied. We are going to paste the link here. That's the link that we had here, that we copied here. Yeah, that's the link I just pasted here. So once I paste the link, I'm just going to click on restore now, and then just click on accept, then start restoring. So once you do this, it's going to start initiating. It's still going to check if your space will be okay for the migration to complete. Right now, what it's trying to do is just that, first of all, downloading the files, all the necessary files from the other one, is downloading it over here. So before it will now run the migration, restoring your site for you. So let's just wait for it to complete. You can see the first step has been completed. Now it has started doing the whole restoring of the sites. It just downloaded now, so you can see it's still checking if the space available on my server, if the space will be okay for it. Once the space is okay, it now starts everything. But if the space won't be okay, to just notify you that you don't have enough disk space to do that. So now let's just wait for it to complete. So you can see my migration is actually successful, and you can see how easy this process has just been. without any of me doing much thing, just some few clicks, and everything is just working out perfectly fine. So I believe this plugin, you need to actually go and get the pro version of this, so actually make use of all the whole great and beautiful features this plugin has to offer. So in case you want to get the pro version, I can actually check in the description box below. I actually have a link where you can actually get it. You are not going to incur any additional charges for using the link. Let's just go through and check if our website, how it looks like now. So I'm going to just check it. You can see everything we had in the previous website. You can see this is it here. Everything is now, you can see everything. There's nothing that is missing out, so everything is just working perfectly well. So you can see the wonders this particular plugin can actually do. With just few clicks, your website, both backup and migration, will be done for you easily without any stress. I believe this video might have been helpful to you, and if you like this video, give it a like and also share this particular video. If you are still watching this video and you've not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video or content like this. Until next time, this is where I'm going to stop. Bye for now.